Hi guys, how to factory reset Windows 10. Now click the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen, then select the gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where the reset process begins, so follow closely. From the list of options, click on Update and Security. Here's a common mistake. People accidentally click System or Privacy, so look for the two curved arrows icon. Select the Recovery tab from the left-hand sidebar. Keep watching because the next step is your point of no return. Under the Reset This PC section, click the Get Started button. This step is very important because it will erase everything on your computer if you're not careful. Choose Remove Everything for a full factory reset, then select Local Reinstall, faster and doesn't require an internet connection. Click Next and finally click Reset to begin the process. Warning, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you've backed up your files first. Hit subscribe for more Windows tips.